TV? Welcome back to another episode. Episode 69, big 6-9 here. And we're gonna get right to it because the game is way started. It is McKee Seagulls versus Wagner Falcons. And we got another McKee versus Wagner Falcons after the soccer game. It's going to be volleyball, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be a great matchup you don't want to miss, all right? Aww. Trying to kick and shoot it over the goalie, and just like that, it is 1-0 Wagner Falcons here at St. Allen Tech, where they took on McKee. That's a good pass. Ooh, you know what? We're about to see something happen. Oh, that curls one of the two defenders. Oh, wow. That has to be the craziest call I've seen in recent days. Wow. 2-0 Wagner. Oh, wow. Oh, good save by the goalie again. Holy crap. And that's a halftime whistle. Halftime, everyone. 2-0 Wagner Falcons. And wow, not bad for the away team. Free kick. Oh! That could have been a disaster. But the Falcons keeper managed to keep the ball away from that line where the ball can cross for that goal. McKee's defense is lacking. Oh! McKee's defense was lackluster there. That ball went through everyone easily. What a goal by the Wagner Falcons. It's 3-0 now. McKee with the free kick. Oh! Oh, wow. Kick popped up. And nowhere after a close call once again. That ball got by everyone again. Kicking it, shooting it. Deflected right to the back of the net. Wow, that is another one of those unlucky goals committed by McKee Seagulls. That ball was blocked. And that go right to the back of the net. That might have been an own goal, which is unintentional, but it's still 4-0. Wow, 12. Oh my God, what happened? Holy crap. Wow. Looked like the goalie had the ball, and then either somebody kicked it off her hands or she just lost it. Man, and that could have been an easy goal for McKee, but again, they remain unlucky. McKee's trying to break, trying not to go away with a shutout. They're trying to break the shutout, but wow. This could be a corner. $5-0. And that's it. Final score 5-0. Susan Wagner. Good road win. And yeah, coming up next is episode 70, where Susan Wagner taking on McKee Seagulls at volleyball. This is a matchup that you don't want to miss. This is a great match to watch. We saw McKee beat Tonville at Richmond in the third set.